Hi, everyone. Sorry for this little glitch. I think that probably tells a little bit about what we're talking about, digitalization. Okay, hello, everyone. Again, sorry, my name is Michael Schmela. I'm the Managing Director of Thai News, and I would like to welcome all of you to today's webinar on Solar Getting Smart, how digitalization boosts energy efficiency in PV power plants. What I would like to mention first is that I would like to thank our sponsor, Trina Tracker. Without them, this webinar would not be possible. Thanks again. And what we are trying to do today is, as you all know, digitalization is becoming increasingly important in the power sector in general, and so it is obviously then also in the solar sector. We talk on the one hand on the solar power plant, where it's really about optimization, about monitoring, about predictive maintenance, or just a few these are just a few examples on where digitalization actually can take a role. And then we have to look at, obviously, also from the grid side of things, with solar getting bigger and bigger and taking a more important role in powering our needs. We also have to look at demand response, ancillary services, and all of these parameters we talk about, and these needs actually can be influenced, and that's also where Trina Tracker here, our sponsor, comes into play, because with the help of trackers, we can clearly influence how we feed into the grid, and thus actually also respond to the needs. We have three presentations in today's webinar. First, we will have Jan Ossenberg, Policy Advisor from Solar Power Europe, the Association of the European Solar Sector, talk about how the framework is. It's really about the laws and how that is changing actually, and hopefully unlocks opportunities, but also poses sometimes still barriers. Jan will dive into that. Then we will have Samkai, head of Smart Tracker Control Systems at Trina Tracker, who will do a deep dive into how digitalized solar tractor systems work and how they really increase reliability and also the yields of solar power plants. And finally, we will have Miguel Herrero, who's the market and insights analyst at PVCase. And this company is all about intelligent software. And he will talk about how to manage data risks in the development and engineering phases of solar PV projects. After these presentations, we have 90 minutes and we have 60 minutes today. We want to talk and discuss a little bit what we learned, and simply kind of really answer the question how digitalization can bring PV power plants to the next level. So